Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the light sources. A light source is an element that serves for rendering 3D objects, and at the same time helps to control the lighting on the 3D scene if we consider this global environment. We will see a little more about the practical use of this when we talk about the photorealistic image. But basically, to create these light sources, we need to go to this view menu, and then we have a function called light source. It's very simple, and we can create light sources of three different types. The first one, it is called a spotlight, and the spotlight it is a spotlight. Okay, it's you need a light that similar to what we use in our houses. Okay, it's a point of light. Then we can create a directional light, and it's a light through a direction, and we can use a projector also. Okay, they have differences. They have already some configurations for the intensity, the drop-off, and the cutoff rates. And besides, we can configure other parameters connected to these light sources. We can change these parameters as you understand. But simply when we want to create a light source, for example, a projector, so we simply need to give a point, and we can move it somewhere else and confirm what it is inserted. So, and I have my light source, okay, inserted in here, and this will have an effect on the elements we have present at the time we create this rendering image. We will see the effect on the photorealistic image, but basically to create a light source there is not much more than this concept of inserting the light on a certain point. You've seen that when I click on top of this light source, I can add some transformations, so it's not a big deal. You know already how to handle this, and we should position this on the proper way to ensure we get the final result we want. Okay, in this particular case, probably it will not give me my result due to the shadows and the direction that I was pointing the light. Anyway, any help on this besides what is mentioned in this video, let us know.